So here we are today at Lullingstone Castle. It's a 15th century castle in Lullingstone in Kent, and it's hosting this Patina classic car event. So not your concours event obviously, but yeah, nice mix of stuff. So we'll have a little look around and see what we got. Go for it. Look at this resto mod, Jensen.
Oh, you did it? You own this car?
And it broke down in full. My brother bought it, buying somebody else who built it.
A nice Rover P5 coupe. Nice mate, love it. Dodge Charger, the best colour. American Racings. That's the 240Z. Hello, mate. Yeah. You just film the Capris. We've got a line up Capris. 2-litre laser, 2.8 injection. G-body 930 turbo. Look at this Citroen SM. That's definitely got some Italian influence. Look at these seats. Maserati engine. Nice. This Citroen DS.
Yeah, the rest of the estates. They used to carry the cameras, the estates, because they used to use horses, didn't they? And then Land Rovers, and then they went to they drive them on alongside the racetrack. And then they used to build
BMW 3-litre coupe E9. Ferrari 430 Spider. This is a Jag XK, is it 140, 150? 140. G-Body 911. What have we got over here? What is it, E-Type? That's a Mark Series 3, eh? Or is it Series 2? No, Series 2. Yeah.
He was younger.
Ah, the 944s. Close to my heart. Still buy another one of these, but I'd have to have the
keep
best
seeing that
turbo I
red.
can find.
GT.
Blue one's quite cool.
The Blue Mexico. They've got a sombrero, right?
UGA. Another SM. Look at this. Look at the detail.
When I go down, do that one, just try and ease it down. I'll tell you when. You ready? Ready?